Hey everyone, Greg here from Carid.com and welcome back to the shop. And in today's video, I want to showcase an awesome lighting accessory that will give your truck a unique look and increase driving safety. This is the latest LED creation from Lumen. It's an LED tailgate light bar, and once you see it, I have a feeling that you're going to want one for your truck. So here it is, and let's get right to what sets this tailgate light bar apart and why you're going to want one on the back of your pickup. And to me, the feature that really sets this product apart has to be the sequential turn signals. Now, you may remember them on older Thunderbirds, and of course, today they're on the Mustang. You can't help but gaze at them whenever you see them on the road, and of course, we as enthusiasts naturally appreciate the special light parade, but they're also going to catch the eye of ordinary, often distracted drivers as well, and anything that you can do to get the attention of those folks is going to make you safer. Now, the automotive aftermarket is always up to date on the hottest and latest trends, and there are a number of sequential turn signal products out there on the market. In fact, Lumen offers headlight and taillight assemblies with sequential turn signals too. But nothing will exhibit the full sequential effect quite like this LED tailgate light bar. It's available in two sizes. The 48-inch bar packs 1,000 LEDs, and the 60-inch bar 1,200 LEDs stacked in a 3-row expansive display. As you can see, when you flip on the turn signals, the LEDs light up in amber in 3 steps, with the increasing number of LEDs pointing in the direction of the turn. One section of the LEDs illuminates, then another, accumulating in the entire side of the bar lighting up. Now, the hazards light up the same way, beginning in the center and then spreading outward on the light bar in a sequence, except of course, both sides of the bar will light up at the same time. Now, if you need to put your hazards on, this is a display that's going to get noticed. Now, obviously, the Lumen LED tailgate light bar is about more than just turn signals. This light bar also provides super bright running lights and brake lights that will make your truck more visible at night and during inclement weather. You'll especially appreciate the way that these reverse lights turn night into day. Now, factory reverse lights can leave you with a dim view of what's behind your truck, but with this many LEDs, this tailgate light bar provides enough illumination needed to safely back down dark driveways, out of dark parking spots, and even to assist with backing up to a trailer. And it will even improve the display provided by the backup camera. Now, all this illumination comes packed into a sturdy aluminum housing with an IP67 waterproof rating and a -20 to 170 degree Fahrenheit operating temperature range. Now, couple that with the usual LED resistance to shock and vibration, and this means that no matter where you drive or what weather conditions you're in, you can count on reliable light bar performance. Now, strong 3M double-sided foam adhesive tape is included for an easy installation. No drilling is required at all. If your pickup has a 4-pin trailer connector, then connecting this light bar will be really plug and play, except for the reverse lights. To activate them, you will have to connect your reverse light harness, which can be easily done with a T-tap Scotch lock or similar connector. Now, if your truck has a 7-pin round trailer connector, you will need to purchase a 7-pin to 4-pin adapter, or you can hardwire the light bar to your truck using the included pigtail that comes ready for splicing. Well, everyone, that's going to wrap up my review today of Lumen's all-new LED tailgate light bar. So if you want to upgrade the lighting on your truck and get a big boost in both style and safety, head over to Carid.com, your source for anything and everything automotive, to see what Lumen has to offer. And as always, I'm Greg, and I will see you guys next time.